Hello everyone, my name is Tanishwari Pawar. As a part of English project, today I will explain adjective and its types. Adjective. An adjective gives more information about a noun or a pronoun by answering one of these questions. What kind? Blue car, wrong rope, etc. Which one? This town, last week, etc. How many? 1 second, 3 boys. Now we will learn about types of adjective. There are 6 types of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Adjective of quality. An adjective that tells about the kind of person, a place or thing we are referring to is called an adjective of quality. For example, Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. Here adjective is wealthy. I read an interesting book. Here adjective is interesting. Now we will see about more examples of adjective of quality. The teacher asked me a simple question. Here adjective is simple. The lesson was interesting. Here the adjective is interesting. The bag is colorful. Here the adjective is colorful. The bangles are lovely. Here the adjective is lovely. Adjective of quantity. An adjective that tells how much of a thing we are referring to is called an adjective of quantity. For example, Ahmad ate the whole chapati. Here the adjective is whole. I drank all the milk in the cup. Here the adjective is all. Now we will see about more examples of adjective of quantity. Give me some water. Here the adjective is some. There is enough sugar in the jar. Here the adjective is enough. She added some honey to the milk. Here adjective is some. She has got much relief after treatment. Here adjective is much. Adjective of number. An adjective that tells the number of persons, animals or things we are referring to or in what order is called an adjective of number. For example, the boy have 2 balloons. Here the adjective is 2. Karan got only 5 marks in English. Here the adjective is 5. Now we will see more examples of adjective of number. Several people got into the train. Here the adjective is several. There are 40 students in this class. Here the adjective is 40. I have 3 pens. Here the adjective is 3. He has 1 box. Here the adjective is 1. The words like first, second, third are known as ordinal adjective. Words like 1, 2, 3 are cardinal adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. An adjective which is used to point out a person, an animal or thing is called a demonstrative adjective. For example, this is a pilot pen. Here the adjective is this. That is my house. Here the adjective is that. Now we will see more examples of demonstrative adjectives. These bikes are not parked properly. Here the adjective is these. Such players always play for the team. Here the adjective is such. Demonstrative adjective answer the question which one. Demonstrative adjective are this, that, these, those, such and certain. They must be followed by a noun. Interrogative adjectives. An adjective used with a noun to ask a question is called an interrogative adjective. For example, which car is yours? Here the adjective is which. Whose house is this? Here the adjective is whose. Now we will see more examples of interrogative adjective. What question did the teacher ask? Here the adjective is what. Whose bat is that? Here the adjective is whose. Which book is yours? Here the adjective is which. Interrogative adjectives are words like whose, what and which. They must be followed by a noun. Important note. If interrogative and demonstrative adjectives is not followed by a noun, it is neither of them then. Possessive adjectives. An adjective showing possession or belonging is called a possessive adjective. For example, this is my water bottle. Here the adjective is my. His coat got wet in the rain. Here the adjective is his. Now we will see more examples of possessive adjectives. His pen is on the table. Here the adjective is his. My car is at the service station. Here the adjective is my. Your bike is new. Here the adjective is your. Our school is closed today. Here adjectives are. So today we learned adjective and its types. Thank you everyone.